What's going on, guys? Welcome along to another video, and this should be a pretty quick video because I'm going to tell you what I think right now for September 2024 is the best motovlogging setup, and I think I've got it. To start with, I have got the Rafa HJC 70 carbon helmet, and I've done a bit of research before I bought this, and I made sure it was a quiet helmet because that's one thing you don't want is a noisy helmet. On that helmet, I've got a chin mount, and this thing is going to be used to hold whatever action camera you pick to put on your helmet. Around the chin mount, I added Sugru, I think it's called, just to really solidify that mount onto the helmet so it ain't ever coming off. Moving up from there, we've got a magnetic mount because that's right, you know we're running it. We've got the DJI Action 5 Pro for 2024. And hands down, I think this is the best action camera right now. Not sponsored, but you know, DJI want to reach out, more than happy to oblige. Pairing the video quality with the audio quality is where this little bad boy comes into play. This is the DJI Mic 2. Now I've got two of these. I've got the one that you're listening to the audio on currently, which is under my shirt. And I've just picked this one up for Zoe, and this is also going to be a second mic that I will use personally on the bike just to capture the engine sound and the exhaust sound when I am doing a review. What I love about the DJI Mic 2 with the DJI cameras is that it's wireless, so that means that the camera is sealed and waterproof and there's no open ports where I've got adapters or anything sticking out the side. So that gives me that extra little bit of security and peace of mind, shall we say, that when I am out riding, if it does rain, I can continue filming and I'm not worried about any water getting in. Because when I had my GoPro set up, I had the media mod, I had a lapel mic plugged in the back, and I was always worried about water ingress. Well, not anymore. And simply enough, when you add the mic, the camera, the ease of the magnetic mount, and the helmet together, this is the type of footage you get. Now, I think we could all agree that the audio quality is spot on. The video quality is really, really good. And that is why I'm saying it. I told you, this is the best setup for 2024. If you want me to do a further video on any of the gear I wear, or the kit I use, or any settings I've got for any of the kit, let me know. Drop a comment below, and I'll see what I can do. And where these magnetic mounts are so good, if you only had one camera, so let's say we didn't have the one at the front, we just had one on the helmet, but you could still have this mount with the magnetic mount. You could do your filming, do your talking, and then when you know you're gonna not talk for a little bit and concentrate on the riding, whatever it may be, you could take this off, put it on there, film yourself, and then you could use that footage to overlay as the B-roll for the talking segment. And then where you're using the DJI mic, it doesn't matter if it's on the helmet or on the handlebar, you can still talk to it as well. So you don't even have to use it as an overlay. You could use it just as the standard footage. A quick video, but hopefully it's helped you decide what sort of setup you're going to have in 2024. If it has, give it a thumbs up. More importantly, subscribe to the channel. Helps us keep growing. Nothing else to say. Until the next time, ride safe.